Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game not launching, won't launch, or launching failed problem. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes. Now the first fix to switch launcher. So if you are on Steam launcher, then switch to Battle.net launcher and then check. And if you are on Battle.net launcher, then switch to Steam launcher and then try to launch the game and check. If this fix doesn't work, then fix 2 is to disable or uninstall DRM software. Now, if you have any kind of DRM software installed on your PC, it will block Diablo 2 Resurrected Inferno Edition game from the launching. In my case, it was Paso DRM that was blocking Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game to be launched. So, simply disable or uninstall any kind of DRM softwares installed on your PC and then you can launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now fix 3 is to log in into Battle.net account on web. So open web browsers, for example Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. and then log in into your Battle.net account on the web browser and then just restart Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition on Steam and then check. This has also fixed the problem for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. So by following these 3 fixes, you can easily fix Diablo 2 Resurrected Infernal Edition game not launching, won't launch issue or launching failed problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.